Welcome to our review of the Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 and the MikroTik LHG LTE kit. Today, we are going to compare these two devices in various categories and give you an overall idea of which one is right for you. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 uses 5G technology, which is available in many countries around the world, including Europe, Middle East, China, Africa, Australia, Austria, Brazil, Hong Kong, Japan, Maldives, New Zealand, Philippines, Russia, South Korea, Thailand, and Singapore. On the other hand, the MikroTik LHG LTE kit uses 4G technology and is available in the United States, Canada, and Latin America. It has a large-sized, high-gain antenna that allows it to connect to cell towers in extreme rural locations. When inserting 5G SIM card, Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 offers a maximum download speed of Wi-Fi 6 Plus up to 2,976 megabits per second. While with MikroTik LHG LTE kit, the maximum download speed is only up to 150 megabits per second. Therefore, Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 is much faster than MikroTik LHG LTE kit. Both the Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 and the MikroTik LHG LTE kit make it easy to manage your customer base through Web UI or their respective app. Huawei Smart Home app for Android and iOS devices for the former, Roteros for the latter. Both apps allow for detailed configuration of your network, which ensures that you stay on top of your network performance. In conclusion, both the Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122 and the MikroTik LHG LTE kit are great products depending on what your needs are. If you need international coverage and blazing fast speeds, go with the Huawei 5G CPE Pro H122. Otherwise, if you are in a rural area needing reliable connectivity, the MikroTik LHG LTE kit is a great choice. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. Take care.